we divide 943 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 4 and it is 44. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 3 and it is 43. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 943 divided by 5 is 188.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.